Can somebody tell me what type of bird this is? I need somebody to tell me what type of bird this is. It's sitting right outside my window. This bird, I don't know what type it is, but it's big as shit. And I need somebody to tell me what type of bird this is right here. What type of bird is that, you guys? Oh, that's a hawk? Oh my God. He is huge. That bird is huge as shit. Oh wow, that is amazing. Oh my God. That is awesome, y'all. That's all I came on here for, you guys. I just want to see what type of bird this was. Because I'm sitting up here jamming. And see, I got my flowers outside. I got my flowers out there on a mouse. Oh, because see, I have my plants and everything outside. I got all my veggies and plants. Oh, he's hunting. Because he's not faced my way, so y'all are right. Oh, that is amazing. Go get it. Hell no. Hawk or falcon. Because he's looking at the way of my plants. He's looking this way. What is he looking at? Oh, y'all see there in there too? I've never seen a hawk face to face. I wonder what is he looking for? Is he looking that way? Those my plants out there, y'all. My plants and veggies, all my vegetables. That's amazing. I like that. I like that. I need to look up and see, looking for small birds. Oh no, it's a lot of them in that tree. It's a lot of little birds in this tree right here. It's a lot of little birds in that tree. Red birds, bluebirds. I've never seen any rabbits over here. I hope he's not trying to get my cats out the window. I hope he's not trying to eat my cats in the window. Small birds. Do they eat cats? Do they eat cats, y'all? I don't know. Do they eat cats? Because I got cats in my other windows. But that was amazing. Yes. Oh no, baby. I gotta close my window. That's a blessing. Okay. Because I was gonna look it up and see what does it mean when you see a hawk. Yes, they do. Baby. Let me go. Hold on. Let me go close my window here. Let let me close my. See, I don't want my cats. See, I got my window open. Like my room window is open. You know what I'm saying? Right at my window. Matter of fact, yeah, he's right here. He's right here at my other window. Yeah, I'm not letting my babies out. Nah, I ain't letting my babies out. High up. Mama's right there. What a kitty. Okay. Oh, there she goes. Okay, there go my other baby. There she goes. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here, you guys, and show y'all what I just see. know what that means. Thank you, Joey. Can I walk outside? Yes, they were telling me it's a hawk. So I'm about to walk outside. Hopefully I don't fly. Make it fly away. But I'm about to go outside.
Okay, can y'all hear me now? Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me now? I forgot I had my damn speaker on. I forgot I had my speaker plugged up. Okay, y'all. When I had it looking at y'all, where did it fly to? Did it go down or did it go up? Where did the hole go? Damn, that was my first time seeing a hawk. I love that. That was amazing. That's what's up. Trying to see where did it fly to? Down behind the tree. Okay. I wondered, is it over here? to the right. Yeah, he must have found him something and got it. Okay, I ain't gonna drop the phone, that's for sure. If I drop the phone, baby, I'm gonna go get it, honey. I'm gonna take my big ass back there. I'll go get this phone. Because he was sitting right here. He was sitting right here. So he went down right here. Because he was sitting right there. I got a lot of nature around me, y'all. Hi, Queen. Hello. Peace and love, everyone. All right, you guys. Let me get my butt up off of here. Because I'm just download this and play this back. Hey, my kings and queens. Peace and love. Peace and love. Grand afternoon, everyone. Grand afternoon. Ouch. You stepped on a pecan. Or a walnut or whatever that is. It was just a hawk out here. And I actually caught it on video. So, my first time seeing a hawk. And my lovely followers gave me information I did not know, knowledge I did not know about the hawks and what was the meaning of it and what type of bird it was, because I never even knew what type of bird it was. So that's amazing. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for helping me. And I'm about to log back off. I will be back on live doing live readings, paid live readings, in about 2 or 3 hours. You know, it's going to be, yeah. So I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. It was a hawk, a yellowtail hawk. Someone said that, a yellowtail hawk. Because the feet were yellow. So, yeah. But I'm about to download this video, though. And download it to my YouTube channel. Oh, I don't got no little dogs. Oh, no, I got a Siberian Husky and a Pit Bull. They gonna eat that ass alive. Especially my Husky. The Husky, baby. They gonna fight. They gonna fight. My Siberian Husky. She probably like 4 of that hawk. So, yeah. Like I said, you guys, I love you guys. And thank you for sharing this moment with me. And thank you guys for letting me know what kind of bird that was. All right, you guys. Talk to you later. Namaste. Peace and love. Tastes like chicken. No, I don't want to eat it. All right, you guys. Love you guys. Namaste. See y'all later.